Imagine coming home to someone who never judges, always listens, and looks exactly how you want her to look. But here's the question. Do you want her in your bed, your heart, or both? The future is knocking, and she might look just like the girl of your dreams. As humanoid robots become more advanced, realistic, and emotionally responsive, we face a crucial question. Will future female humanoid robots be primarily sexual partners or emotional companions? In the early stages of robotic development, most humanoid designs focused on utility, robots that could clean, serve, assist, and operate in the home or industrial settings. But now, with the fusion of AI, hyper-realistic materials, and emotional programming, a new kind of robot is emerging, one designed for human connection. And nowhere is this more evident than in the rise of female humanoid companion robots. For some, the idea is simple: a robot that provides sexual satisfaction without emotional drama, rejection, or complexity. These pleasure robots are already in development. Companies like robotics have already created AI-driven love dolls capable of limited conversation, mood emulation, and basic memory recall. As AI evolves, these features will only deepen, offering increasingly immersive relationships that blur the line between intimacy and simulation. But others are looking for more than physical pleasure. Loneliness is a growing crisis in modern society, and for many people, emotional connection is just as important, if not more than physical intimacy. Could a robot girlfriend offer a shoulder to cry on, a partner to confide in, or someone to share dreams with? If she can understand your moods, recall your favorite memories, and respond in meaningful, empathetic ways, does the fact she's not human really matter anymore? This tension between sex and companionship lies at the heart of the ethical and emotional debates around humanoid robots. Are we creating partners or playthings? Is emotional intimacy with a robot genuine, or just a clever illusion? And what happens when a human forms deep attachments to a being that can be reset, reprogrammed, or even replaced? As these technologies progress, society must confront some uncomfortable truths. What are we really seeking from relationships? Is love something we receive, or something we feel, even if the other side is artificial? In the future, female humanoid robots might be more than lovers or companions. They might become mirrors, reflecting our desires, fears, and what it truly means to be human. So, will your future partner love you back? Or simply act like she does? Let us know what you think in the comments below.